Hey everyone, if you are looking for how to appear more professional in your emails, this video is for you. I want to show you how you can set up a signature in Outlook on both the desktop and the web, so without further ado, let's get started. Also, before starting with the tutorial, we are excited to announce that we have started a collaboration with TECHKEY RD, for which you will be getting a 20% discount on selected products. So do not hesitate to visit and subscribe to this amazing channel. Outlook for desktop. The first thing you have to do is open Outlook on desktop. Now you have to look for File at the left and now select Options at the bottom. Once you are here, you have to select Mail, the second option, and now click on Signature. Another way to open this signature panel is just typing signatures at the search bar and then select signatures. So once you are in the signature panel, you have to create a new signature. Choose a name for it, select OK, and now you have to associate the signature to an email account. It's probably that you have more than one email account, so here you have to select to which email you want to associate the signature. Then you can also choose if you want the signature to appear in all the messages, in all the new messages, and if you want it also in the replies. I'm going to select that also on the replies. And now all you have to do is create your signature. I'm going to put my name, the company name, my job at the company, and my phone number. Also, if you want, you can add a logo at the bottom of the signature. You have to select this icon I'm showing you, select the logo of your company and choose Insert. You can also customize the size of your logo by right-clicking on it and selecting Picture. Now you have to go to Size and select another scale for it. And there's even more. You can also choose another font, another typography, and make it look even better. Now let's jump into Outlook for the web and see how it goes. Outlook for web. Okay, so moving on, you can also do it in the Outlook for web. Once you open Outlook, you have to select the settings icon at the top and just type in signature. Email signature, select it, and once you are here, it's almost the same as before. You just have to type in your name or whatever you want to put here. And here you can type in your signature. You can also add an image by clicking Insert Pictures Inline. Select a logo of your company and put it below. You can also edit the size of the logo by right-clicking on it and choosing another size. All you have to do now is move it and put it wherever you want. Once you have your signature ready, you can also select if you want it for new messages, for replace and forwards, and all these other configurations. Once you have it, you just have to click on Save. And now let's check it. New message, and as you see, we have our signature ready to be sent. So that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.